XS300 Drilling ATC CNC Machining Center is MARS featured machine for processing wooden cabinet and wooden doors. It has 1. High-power Italy HSD 9 kW air cooling spindle, Japan Yaskawa servo motor and driver, Taiwan Syntec control system. 2. Tracking mode circular type 8 pieces tool magazines, improve processing efficiency. 3. Italy HSD 5+4 drilling head. 4. Sucking and pushing device, auto unloading system. 5. Double vacuum chamber absorption working table. This machine is available to add auto-loading system, which can be adjusted according to customer requests. Panel furniture production solution. MARS is your #1 choice.